Welcome to 8th Standard Social Science, Chapter 1 Sources. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. The two kinds of literary sources are dash and dash, native literature and foreign literature. A literary source of Ashwagosha is Buddha Charita. The first inscription found in Kannada language is the Halmidi inscription. Second main, answer the following questions in brief. What are sources? Sources are the basic material necessary for the construction of history. Give two examples for native and foreign literature each. Native literature, Vishakadatta's Mudra Rakshasa, Kallana's Rajatarangini. Foreign literature, Megasthenes Indica, Huansang's Siyuki. What is numismatics? Numismatics is the study of the evolution, nature, and development of coins. What are archaeological sources? Explain with examples. The inscriptions, coins, monuments, pots, artifacts, and other ruins that have been obtained during researches and excavations are called archaeological sources. The materials available inside the earth are also archaeological sources. Harappan civilization came into light like this. Oral sources help us to know about the local history. Explain. Today, many oral sources are being used to understand the diverse Indian heritage. From time immemorial, human society has preserved its experiences and memories in the form of poems, songs, and ballads. They are passed on from generation to generation through oral communication. Oral literature helps to know the local history. There are abundant oral literature on the Nayakas of Chitradurga, Kempegowda, Tippu Sultan, Sangolli Rayana, Kittur Rani Chennamma, Sindhura Lakshmana, Meadows Taylor, and others. Many tribes and the communities who were illiterates preserved their experiences through oral literature.